Welcome. Today we're not just looking at a car. We're exploring a business and tech story the NIO ET9 tells us about innovation, opportunity, and staying relevant after 50. If you're building something new, a business, a side hustle, or a tech skill, this matters. The NIO ET9 is a premium electric vehicle from a Chinese company competing with German luxury brands. It's packed with tech, from advanced suspension to futuristic interiors, yet it represents something bigger than transportation. You might be thinking, but I'm over 50, I'm not buying cars. And that's okay. What this tells us is that technology is advancing faster than ever. And with rapid change comes new business and income opportunities for those willing to adapt. The ET9 shows that complex tech can be simple to experience but challenging to create. That's exactly the kind of gap where business ideas for beginners can thrive. You help others understand and use tech without the overwhelm. Whether it's teaching AI tools, starting a consultancy, or reviewing products, simplicity is a market advantage. Companies like NIO prove innovation isn't limited by age or origin. Likewise, entrepreneurship after 50 isn't only possible, it's needed. You bring wisdom and practical judgment that younger founders often lack. Here are 3 practical ways you can tap into this trend. Tech education for beginners. Offer tutorials or support for peers learning tech. Niche content creation. Review tech products for a 50-plus audience. They'll appreciate honest, clear explanations. Consulting in your expertise. Whether it's business advice or marketing fundamentals, your experience is an asset. Just like the ET9 challenges German luxury cars, you can challenge old assumptions about what people over 50 can do. You don't need advanced tech skills. You need clear thinking, consistency, and empathy for your audience. If you found this useful, tap the videos linked on screen to keep going. Comment below. What's one business idea you want to pursue this year?